keke no ni aki ye ya kodo kwere we mi alo ye ali do ni ya ye bo ni ku e awo ke ze bi ewe ri oni obarika o no hite na ye awe tu ibi ka yi mu po neze de na ya gbo ba ma to le woyi ni ya de osisi ni ya de awe opia agbada be ni ya fe na ya ru yi ne eni mo en mo ba ma gbe no go ma pa wo te do awo tu na ara kunya kugbe epo iti eke iti ogbe ni opa ni ati ekoti awe gbe wa be ni a emo ya ki wo to na awe kede ne na ga ko ma no ire ko tu ni no ke gbe àwọn má kí wele pé ọba ní ka òyìn ẹ̀yà kó lóye. Lọ́wọ́ ni eke wọ́n bá máa sẹ́, lọ́wọ́ ni efi àwọn tọ́lé tó yàmúgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀, lọ́wọ́ ni eka wá kó náà ọyọ́ yẹ wọ́n ẹ̀mí pé bàbá ètò àgbà, àwọn akọ́lọ́ ní yẹ kú ní mẹ̀rẹ́ lórí, ọkẹ́ sùkè ha ìnòrí wú udòrí ọgbìn. Ibi ka yi mu po neze de na ya gbo ba ma to le woyi ni ya de osisi ni ya de awe opia agbada be ni ya fe na ya ru yi ne eni mo en mo ba ma gbe no go ma pa wo te do awo tu na ara kunya kugbe epo iti eke iti ogbe ni opa ni ati ekoti awe gbe wa be ni a emo ya ki wo to na awe kede ne na ga ko ma no ire ko tu ni no ke gbe àwọn má kí wele pé ọba ní ka òyìn ẹ̀yà kó lóye. Lọ́wọ́ ni eke wọ́n bá máa sẹ́, lọ́wọ́ ni efi àwọn tọ́lé tó yàmúgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀, lọ́wọ́ ni eka wá kó náà ọyọ́ yẹ wọ́n ẹ̀mí pé bàbá ètò àgbà, àwọn akọ́lọ́ ní yẹ kú ní mẹ̀rẹ́ lórí, ọkẹ́ sùkè ha ìnòrí wú udòrí ọgbìn. Yàrá kèké no iri ahi ọwọ́ ènìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni múdà ìwé gédége ní ìmọ̀ fi wẹ̀ yóò tọ̀ yéye àwẹ́ òun náà wú ni èwo ọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú hí. Ọwọ́ ènìyàn pa ní yàrá kèké no iri ahi ní ẹ̀yà kọ́dọ̀ pẹ̀lẹ́ wẹ́ẹ́ ní alóyè èyí ayédọ́ ní ẹ̀yà ayé bó ní kú ẹ̀ àwọn kéèzè bí èwe ni ọ́ ní ọba ní ka ò tẹ̀lé fi dé awe tu ibi ka yi mu po neze de na ya gbo ba ma to le woyi ni ya de osisi ni ya de awe opia agbada be ni ya fe na ya ru yi ne eni mo en mo ba ma gbe no go ma pa wo te do awo tu na ara kunya kugbe epo iti eke iti ogbe ni opa ni ati ekoti awe gbe wa be ni a emo ya ki wo to na awe kede ne na ga ko ma no ire ko tu ni no ke gbe àwọn má kí wele pé ọba ní ka òyìn ẹ̀yà kó lóye. Lọ́wọ́ ni eke wọ́n bá máa sẹ́, lọ́wọ́ ni efi àwọn tọ́lé tó yàmúgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n rẹ̀, lọ́wọ́ ni eka wá kó náà ọyọ́ yẹ wọn
Como é, ọba àtọpẹ yìí ọba àtọpẹ yìí David they have broken again. They have gbé ọ̀rẹ́ nìyẹn. Echo. Now wow. I'm not going to be long. However, I'm going to be very short. And as you understand, I'm going to be traveling today. If not possible today, it will be early tomorrow morning. However, before I leave, due to the fact that I'm not going to be at work on Saturday, so I have to go to work today to cover up, because it don't matter even if it's $50, it's still money. As you understand, I'm the king of the poor, and I don't hope on people's money to just, whatever I can get on my own, I'm ready to get it. So that is on one thing. However, the situation that is going on in Edo land is serious problem that have been going on in Edo land, but nobody is talking about it. A lot of people want to talk about it, but they are so scared. They don't want to be honest, because in Benin land, most of the Benin today, when you are honest, they crucify you. I'm the example of that crucifixion. So, that being said, there is the social media is something that is very, very useful and very, very good to we the poor. Because this is the first time we the poor have a voice. Normally, the only way people get their news is through pay cable or through media. And we don't have a way to get to the television. This should have been Igbinedian children, the governor children or governor, the senator children. But this time around, a son of a poor man, a poor woman can just buy a cell phone, click on it, here we go, the whole world will hear from him. So this is the danger the rich, the political corrupt leaders are afraid of. That being said, for a couple of days now, there have been killings in Edo land. Killings. You know why I spoke about it? What I said, whoever, thank you, God bless you, Jojo. Today's date is Friday, September 28, 2018. I repeat, Friday, September 28, 2018. As you all know, this is the king of the poor, the mega comrade. Echo. Hey. No, that mami moya yiko. No mi moya yiko orato re bavego. Make ya rudu morudi bata negato re. Ake mino tomata velita deri. Before you find anyone who are honest like me, never. Because I know my heart, never. It is never going to be possible. I know my heart. I know what I have sacrificed. I know my heart. I know what I'm saying. It's only you that know yourself. You know when you are honest, when you are not honest. So I don't think there will ever be anybody who will come out and naked to the whole world to see. Even if that nakedness is going to hurt him or hurt his family, hurt his entire life, he don't care. Nobody but me. So before we start, back in 2017, chase away disgraced Commissioner of Police of Edo State, no other than Commissioner Gwandu, was chased away with collective effort. Who started that mission? The tiger and the lion combined. when I told people that this commissioner is in Edo State to kill our people, Governor Obaseki is in Edo State to rob us and give it to the Fulani herdsmen. They said I have not even given Obaseki 1 week. I have not given him 10 years. I told him, I said, Governor Obaseki have been in the government for 8 good years. 8 good years. Now Obaseki is 10 years as the executive in Edo State government. A lot of people are not educated. I am proud of myself, a college dropout. What I mean college, not a secondary school dropout. I did not drop out in secondary school. High school, I got my diploma. I am a college dropout. And I'm proud of it. But some of them who are primary school dropout, secondary school dropout, they did not even went to take any other course, vocational courses. They will be the one to continue to smear lies. You know what I'm saying? They said, Ranamigo, hey Ranamigo, hey Ranamigo, mega comrade, hey, they all crucify me. They gave me what they call open social media. I repeat, open social media lynching. I call it open social media lynching, open social media prosecution, open social media firing squad. That is what they gave me. But when you have God, you have Jesus, who believe in you, Jesus that sent you a mission, no weapon will be pointed at you shall prosper. As you can recall, I've been talking, I didn't say nobody share. You can say it. He's just sitting right there. That is the corruption. That is the corruption. If I just go right now, off it, bang, 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 nobody will watch it again. It's over. Because their mind are corrupt. You have to continue to tell them what to do every day. That is the reason courtesy is not eradicated. You have to continue to remind them what to do every day. Their brain, they are 70 years, they are 60 years, they are 30 years. Their brain is act like a little baby, like 5 years old. You know when you walk in the prison, in the jail, those people in prison, the state law says their age is 5 years old. Either you molest them, you abuse them, you will be prosecuted. Because their brain is just like 3 years old. Even though they are in Europe. Some even call themselves comrade. Some call themselves whatever name they call them. Their brain is malfunctioning. Syndrome of corruption have already affected them. You have to tell them what to do every day. You have to tell them. So now, that being said, share this video. Exactly. You see? That is it. How can you move forward when you are not ready to give him? You are not ready to give him. You just want others to do your job for you. You want others. You want men. Like, I'll make an example with myself. Like my ex-wife, when I met her, she didn't know nothing. I taught her everything. She's very pretty. She's clean. Very, very extremely pretty. When the people that saw it, oh, look at this pretty girl, they want to come and reap the fruit of my labor. Then I leave it. When a woman is not listening, like I always tell I told my wife, even yesterday we talked about it. Yes, was it yesterday, right? Okay, yeah, yesterday night. We talked about it. I say a woman's heart, a woman's mind is as deep as the down of the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Or Mediterranean Sea. Any man that says he knows his woman's heart is a liar. A woman's heart and soul is the border of Atlantic Ocean, Mediterranean Sea. Yes, Mega Comrade says so. You can never know them. Even my own father cannot tell you he knows my mother. He's lying. You know what I'm saying? He's lying. So, if you have your wife, go to your wife today. Ask your wife. Is Mega Comrade said your heart is as deep as the bottom of ocean. Your heart and your soul, your mind is as deep as the bottom of Mediterranean Sea. Is as deep as the bottom of Atlantic Ocean. Is as deep as the bottom of Indian Ocean. Is as deep as the bottom of the Pacific Ocean. Ask your wife. Ask your wife that. She will tell you, honey. Who told you that? Tede is the prophet. The greatest prophet of all time. 99.9% prophecy have come to pass. Tell them. That is the fact. So that being said, I make sure that Commissioner Gwandu, I keep saying it every day, because God have revealed to me that our brother's heart, our brother's mind is not like 5 years old mind. They don't think right. They are 40 years old. Some of them are 20, some of them are 30. But their mind is like 5 years. You have to continue to tell them what to do every day. Just like I'm saying every day I come here. Share the video. Every day. Share the video. Share the word of freedom. Share the word of freedom every day. Umanata. Way any book you want. Umanata. If you not talk them, they go just sit down there. One of them, they just watch, they drink pepper soup, anything that they drink. For Houston, Texas now. I hear saying that me that they take drink pepper soup. If that is alone, I could have stopped making this video. Every day I'm making video, they will just gather in one bar. They will be drinking pepper soup and they will be eating. They say they will be knocking their hand, their leg. Hey, this man. And they know one of them have not come out one day to say, I am supporting you. Houston, Texas. Now me, my video, they take they drink pepper soup every day. Imagine. And they cannot even buy one for me. That is how corrupt they are. That is how corrupt they are. Una pepper soup. Una they eat porcupine pepper soup. Me and they eat assorted with my own money. Shrimp. Gizzard. What do they call them? Turkey. Chicken. Where is the other one again? But gizzard. And what do they call it? Trip. Shaki. Iwa we kwekugbe. Iwe level how we set iwe. Imudia go hawe na le. Imudia go ropa. Iyo bo le. Kosi gwale. Ije me mame be la ya le ba e. Moko ki ije me. Ija ruo. Me gwese yi mama we. So that being said, so make politicians they chop their porcupine. Me and they eat my assorted. With my own money, ego above me. Thank God. God bless America. God bless America. Whether you are poor, you are rich, now the same food will they eat. The same food when President Trump they eat, now they eat. The same monster grain when they eat, now they chop. The same mushroom when they eat. The same grape, now the same thing we they eat. It not be like Cambiaqua country, like Nigeria. It not be like Cambiaqua continent, like Africa. The poor have their own say in America. The poor have their own life in America. God bless America. Make American people live long. Long live Donald J. Trump. That's it. Bam. Well, not that May worry advice Obaseki 100%. I feel better than Obaseki and Buhari. That one no be lie. No be lie. The meat, the fish, seafood, why they eat every day, I swear to God, Obaseki cannot even eat it. He only smoke cooking more than me. Not be say go come. God bless you. Isama of Berlin. I see you. How is my baby? God bless you. JP, Isama of Scandinavia. God bless you. So, as you can see, brothers and sisters, Tori don't wo. Tori don't wo. He don't jabrata. Yes. Some people will say, this guy, to say he don't go America. Oh, to say not go America. How for the talk? They penetrate your head. The only English when they penetrate Nigeria head, you go hammer and like a jiggle. You go put her for inside their brain. You go lock her like mechanic. That is what I'm doing. The only way to communicate with you people, some of you are zombie. Not the people watching me now. Some that will come later. Osho free. Osho, you know, when you carry a shower, you not pay there. What did they will call you? Osho free governor. Osho free Oshomule. Osho free. They will come, they will work for free. They will not share. They will work, they will commit rubbish because they are jealous. They cannot do what you are doing. That is the fact. So today I'm going to be short. I have 30 minutes to spend on this video, or 40 minutes. I'm gone. Let me go straight to the point. After I was able to chase Commissioner Gwando, a lot of people were not coming out. Gwando is good. He was a bad commissioner. Remember, Batobaze was saying Gwando was the best commissioner. Tony Kabaka Adu. Tony Anthony Adu, a.k.a. Tony Kabaka, the greatest terrorist, the baddest terrorist of all time, Benin land, Benin Empire. The greatest assassin for Kate Ohosa Okumbo. You see, allegedly, Tony Kabaka have killed thousands of people. Bam. Kate Ohosa Okumbo, the father of all evil. Governor Godwin Obaseki, a boy turned to become master of all manipulation. Adam Ali Oshomule, who brought Tony Kabaka back to light after Lucky Benedion failed to make him the Alpha and Omega. Lucky Benedion was the first person. Thank God Lucky's name is completely dead. If not his father, if not Lucky's father, there will be nothing like Benedion. And thank God now, almost a day I happens to know one of our best friend who told me how she's good. So I'm not going to even say anything about almost a day. I hope she continue to do what she's doing. But for Lucky, it's a failure to the family. It's two man like this can be asin on asin. Or why you're calling? I love Igbinedion to death. Lucky Igbinedion is the one that brought us to Shomole. That is why I'm angry with Lucky. If Lucky Igbinedion did good thing, if Lucky Igbinedion did what he's supposed to do, who be Oshomole? Who be Taylor? Yeah, Taylor will never even feel soul in his suit. Taylor, Abriba, Oshomole is a Ghanaian. Ghanaian Taylor. Now Ghana are deporting Nigeria. It is Lucky Igbinedion who brought Oshomole in. That is why we will not forgive Lucky Igbinedion. None of Lucky Igbinedion children will ever run in any political office. Our no win. Every soon. I want to remind people one thing today. Who is the best governor Edo State I've ever had? Dr. S.O. Ubemudia. Professor Ambrose Ali. I want you to remember me. Destiny, remember me in a few minutes. So, I want to quickly show you this. No, you know what? This picture I'm supposed to show you, but everybody have already seen it. You can see where Oshomole, Kateonsa, and Governor Obaseki were promoting courtesy. The picture, I have it. I hope I'm able to show it. So after Lucky Igbinedion failed to make Tony Kabaka the greatest criminal of all time, Oshomole came and gave Tony Kabaka ammunition, weapons, RPG, assault rifle, AK-47, pump action, name it. Tony Kabaka have it all in his house. He have a hidden place that is hiding all his weapons. Tony Kabaka continue to unleash. Tony Kabaka continue to unleash horror on Edo people in the name of courtesy. Let me tell you, courtesy are not made to be killing. Their purpose was not hijacked. That is why I'm not fighting them. Their purpose was hijacked by the parasite once, like Tony Kabaka, Kateonsa, Lucky Igbinedion, what do you call him? APC national chairman. What is his name? That Chekere man. What is his name? That Nido. Oshomumu. And Obola. Obaseki. So, Obolo Rieko, Obaseki, Obolo, Ewe. Obi, Oranwewa. Wow. He can't have a lao. Our Tinola way. That is number one. Let me find this thing, my brothers and sisters. I beg, I have to go to work today. I don't want to be late because nobody is donating for me. I have to pay bills. So, whenever I say something, I prove it. I don't have time to talk. To just talk with no evidence. Why I call Obaseki Obolo, this is it. This is Obolo. You see him out? But alright, now so Obolo they behave. See him out. You see huh? Obolo. See huh? When he's sleeping, he open his mouth wide open. Like say he want to swallow everybody. Why would you be calling me? You know I'm not lying. Jimmy, why are you calling me now? I have not heard from you for almost 3 weeks. Now you are calling Amola. So, to shorten the whole story, that is for Obaseki. Let me look for these people. Echo. Bad, evil leaders in Nigeria and Africa. This is what I'm talking about. You see it? This is what I'm talking about. This is how Governor Obaseki, Kantoesa Okumbo, Adam Ali Oshomule violated the law of the land. Look at them. Look at them. This one, not be, let me tell you, there's a lot of fraternity that is very, very good in Nigeria. E.g. like Uboni. Have you ever heard Uboni man keep person? No way. No way. I not be any of them. But we have to speak the truth. Because I even ya. You know what I'm saying? I even ya. No be only Curtis. Blah. Nigeria. Uboni did there since before they bomb me. He did there before they bomb me. I know the lie. He did there. Before they bomb me at the year of him. When my uncle died, Justice Inye. When I lost my uncle, Justice Inye. When he died, I know what Uboni did for my uncle. Yes. I am saying it. I don't lie. Only the respect Uboni we gave you is what to be praised. Then Governor Obaseki and his people, they say, not be so it could be. Who owns the land? Now they get them. Obaseki, they infiltrate into, whether they call them, whatever, a lot of them. I don't know their names. They hijack all the, whether they are Yeo, Ejeo, Bokoneo, Watenopai, all they hijack them. They hijack them. They turn out to become caricature. Why is it that Obaseki, Katosa cannot be expelled? Because they are the father of all bad courts. They will go and carry criminal for worry. They will go to Bayelsa and bring criminal to come and kill other people. They will blame it on innocent students. They will send their commissioner to go and arrest them. Political opposition. They will go and arrest them. They will throw them in jail in Oko without trial. Why have commissioner? Why have law enforcement agency not call on these people? Look at them. Look at them. That being said, let me go. That is the preamble. Today, not today. How can 3 people just destroy a whole state and a country? Oshomole have able to elevate himself. Now he become now APC national chairman. A Curtis is now APC national chairman. Buhari, are you sleeping? Muhammadu Buhari, have you not heard that Oshomole is one of the worst politicians in Nigeria? A killer, allegedly. He sponsored terrorists. Have you not heard about it? Muhammadu Buhari. Oh, Nigeria is finished. This is Adam Ali Oshomole, APC national chairman. APC national chairman. All problem creator chairman. That is it. A drug addict. A Curtis. a terrorist sponsor, e.g., his sponsor Tony Kabaka Adu and Tony Adu, the greatest killer of all time. Anyone that speaks good about Tony Kabaka, that person is afraid of being killed, or that person is horribly terrorist. That is the fact. Let anybody go to the street of France or Germany, ask other people, carry microphone, who is Tony Kabaka? Cover their face. Who is Mega Comrade? Let everybody do the examination and see how many that will come out and tell you Tony Kabaka is a killer. A killer. As I'm talking today, Adam Ali Oshomole is using APC money to be financing Tony Kabaka Hotel. If not, Tony Kabaka business would have crippled by now. Tony Kabaka now is crippled. His boys are running. He have no way to now. In that came Operation Killing Spree. After Tony Kabaka found out his empire is going down, he want to be relevant. They now allege send people to start killing people. Cultism has started in Edo State. After our father have laid curse on it, I want to play it one more time. We want to know who owns the land. We are calling on the palace to tell us if Governor Obaseki is the owner of the palace, the consequence of Obaseki violating the Oba cause. We have to see it too. That cause it will not be for the poor people alone. I am the voice of the poor. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. Soon video. Our one. Boderi Mathieu Orewono. Agbo kaninya egbenyanoka baba. Agbo kaninya egbenyanoka. Awawa. Why? What have the poor people did to you people? Why is it that even the government money, poor people will not see it? The benefit of the Nigeria, not poor people, mineral will not be getting. Cause will come, now will push out to poor people alone. Now we'll push out to poor people. But now this one we go no say whether the cause of our father, the cause of Oba Ewa Ogiriga, whether the Obaseki be the Oba, we will know. Obaseki violated the cause of our land. When Senator Matthew Orohide map a street light, a local bad street light. Orohide is a criminal as well. But her bread is better than nothing. Obaseki lead this troop, Tony Kabaka boys, to go and violate the law of the land. After our father raised cause and lay cause on this, I want people to hear it. This one not be Ranomigo. What are we on? It's Benin. This is traditional cause, juju cause. Where you know, Larry? The phone are you? Come on, stay right there. Okay. How is the poor getting money to buy gun? They don't have money. Kaposa, Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, APC National Chairman Adam Ali Oshomole are the weapon, ammunition supplier to these terrorists. They are the one buying it for them. Odubu Governor, Deputy Governor Odubu single-handedly destroy Orion. Orion local government Odubu is my brother, but I will speak the truth. The Deputy Governor is my Orion brother. I will speak the truth. Curtis. Polori Yimonia, a book Bole, or Bole Governor Basakiri. Ihe ade Noyak BTV Airport. Governor Basaki, Bomagbe. Adam Ali Oshomule, Noya V. Curtis, Bavedori, Area Abuja, Area Kitty State, Ebomagbe. Kateosa, Ebomagbe. Baba, Magewe, Igewe Baba, Mawagewe, Imawakiao, Mawagerima. Vera Mena, Ivia Doma Oni Azenu, Orima, because you are only Maladi, another way, Idiogino. Ivia do, Wanimabo, Wakbedona, Wakbe Yirimabo, Wakbe Yirimabo, why bay your body, why Moroyere, why we don't see it. Wakwaboladian, when I went at table, Irimana woman. Maybe I was when he told it. Maybe I was when we can have him and not those Amoremu. Maybe I was when, maybe I go. He told me, Marie Gonenia. Irimana woman, Yata, if he ona danima wana pa wana ya kosusu maye la dia wa share video na wa ri ko la dia wana ha mi ma ami agbon mi ni o mi asan o mi avan we ma le America na ma mo bo keye ni okay very me ye o wana ko la dia Obaseki ona rawi wa matie Oshomule ona rai wa matie Tony Kabaka ona rai wa matie a governor ona rai wa matie Rutivi ogwe wa ya vie la dia. And if you go over in Yasusu Mayini, not go and go. Why they? He? No boyazo bo, no boyazo bo. Ebe yega la requentama, Osu Boswan. Osu Boswan Yedo. Very me yeran in a ton of botilerobo. Ima Samuel Bamese. Where ye me or boy, ya go here. Wa mebo gbe yan ni gbasawo iviere yan na so ha me na dia ya e governor na yan ye do we hia wa gbe yan na ya akin court ona we ni ye ni ni ya kun go boye wa na we ma me ni na mi go na we mai ko yi wai so pa wa ge ga ho bi e do pa kekan na ri ye ra yan oye mugbo ego e give no oye ye na mi ni nwa yan ri Samuel ba meze Iro yena baba la omohun oba atokpe la baba ti are Obaseki ni ado ha bi ni ahe ipi anawo ti are Obaseki kato sa okunbo obi o ma ya loto are oyiyo kato sa okunbo gbedo no uda no babe kato sa okunbo is a destroyer in Beneland. Beneland, Iminamion, Lavan. Katosa Okubo who died. So now, after this course, they unleash on innocent Edo people. I saw in the video like a few hours ago, people were saying, thank you, court people, you are stopped. Oh, you are not thanking them. How many of you have thanked human traffickers who are stopped? How many of you? You know what I'm saying? So now you are now thanking them. You are thanking the political elite for killing. What about those children that have been killed? Their mother, their father, who struggled to sponsor them to university, and their head have been used for sacrifice for the politician children. Is Kateosa children there? No. Is Governor APC National Chairman Adamalio Shomule children a victim? No. Who are those that is key today? Are the poor citizens. Innocent poor citizens. They might not be completely innocent because their mind have been corrupt. They were lewd. They pulled them into all this. These children are innocent. If you join us, and you become one of distracting, we will make you a multi-millionaire. At the end, they already enter. There's no millionaire. There's nothing. They are suffering. There's killing everywhere. That is the truth. That is why all these court people, I know they worry for about them. I know why they pray, may God help them. May God help them so that God go restructure their brain. Because our father, who we taught our father, they said in Benin land, once your papa talk to you, you go believe him. Our father that we were believing that will be our guardian, they have guided them into the wrong place. They have guided into William Shaker that brought it. Today is a hero in Nigeria. What did we say? That is not what I intended. That is not what it's intended for. Can you stop it? No. Politicians have hijacked it. They are jacking. It's like creating people freedom movement. That is why we introduce ID card. We know that ID card, if we do not make it special, nuisance, rulers, they will infiltrate, they will turn PFM into another organization. That is why I come up with that strategy. Verification with another form of social security number. Your ID number can never be fake. Can never be fake. Today, Edo State is completely dead. Jabrata. Obaseki was saying infrastructure. He went to the power of the whole world. United Nations. UN General Assembly. What did infrastructure, what they call him? Technocrat governor did. He went to go and sleep. Show time. Obaseki were nowhere to be found. All other governors were making business contract, business connection, collecting worldwide billionaires, leaders, complimentary card. Obaseki were busy sleeping. Was sleeping in UN General Assembly. That is how dead Obaseki is. Obaseki is a bad win to Edo State. He's a failure to Edo State. Obaseki will continue to fail Edo State. Obaseki is for Obaseki himself. Obaseki is nobody but a nuisance. A useful nuisance to Oshomole. That is what Obaseki is. And Kataosa, that one is a coward. He's a coward. He ran away from Canada. You saw me. You say you want to kill me. You saw me. Yeah, why, if you have courage, why didn't you say, at least you are older than me. You could be a father if you are a good man. I could have called you daddy if you were a good man. You did not have the courage to face me one-on-one. Because of me, you people cancel Q&A session. The first time Q&A session was cancelled in any big event because of the tiger and the lion, you ran away. You run away like a chicken. But when you are in Benin, you go and pack Tony Kabaka boys. Whoa, a Kataosa. That is it. Wale Moiana, we'll go out what for you, we'll go out you. Make una know they fear these people. They be chicken at the be. Make una not fear them. Snake they run, who want kill and they run at the be. Face them, don't let them manipulate you. Face them with everything you have. Who want to kill you and tell them you are ready to die? Simple. It's simple arithmetic. If Kataosa was in Benin, before I came to ENA, Canada, Kataosa were parading everywhere. He was not even greeting anybody. Go and ask Kataosa. We have more than 100 eye contact. Eye to eye. Ask him. You know what I did? Ask him. He said chicken. Because the only reason why elders will be afraid of the young is after they have robbed the young their destiny. Kataosa have robbed us our destiny. Up to today, Kataosa will be rewarded. He'll be rewarded by our fathers. Can you imagine? So now, let me go straight to the point. I don't want to be late. If I don't go to work today, you people... Breaking news, Governor Godwin Obaseki and his gangs have violated the law of Edo land again. What happened to Omonoba Nedu, Uku Akbolokbolo, Oba Ewari II, Nogidi causes now? What happened to the cause that he lay? What is Sunu? Lao? Mahe? Is Edo people going to support our father and bring those that violate the law of the land to justice? Because we cannot expect our father to do it all. No, we are the children. Is Edo people who are in social media, who are everywhere, are they going to come out to draw those that violate the law of the land and bring them to justice? It's a question of Otari don't know before Natona. That one thing. What are the punishment of the secret court fathers, not the secret court members? Those children, like the FBI said, if you want to dismantle a terrorist ring, go for the head. If you want to dismantle a gang, go for the head. That is what the FBI said. The best strategy to dismantle a terrorist organization is to knock down their head, not their tail. So forget about those boys on the street. What are the punishment of the secret court fathers in Edo State who violated the law of the land? Wake and sleep governor, crack cocaine governor, Godwin Obaseki, Kate Osa Okumbo, APC national chairman Adam Oli Oshomule, and Tony Adu, aka Tony Kabaka, are the problem of Edo State. Are the problem of Edo State. They are the killer of Edo State. Allegedly, they have sponsored and they have collaborated with sponsoring to give weapon and ammunition. How can a man, a former governor who destroyed Edo State and humble and sponsor terrorists, now is APC national chairman, Muhammad Buhari? You should be ashamed of yourself. You are a disgrace to Nigeria. Let me tell you, no, I don't fear nobody. You are nothing but a useless president. That is what you are. Nonsense. You remember when Babangida put you on house arrest in Benin? You know how you feel. You know what oppression tastes like. You know what it feels like. But I'm ashamed after we all fought to give you freedom. All you want to do is to take our freedom away. To take our freedom away, Muhammad Buhari. What an embarrassing administration. Fulani herdsmen administration. Look at this useless man called Lai Mohammed. Lai Mohammed, Wayo Mohammed. Ewu Usumerije. The Justice Ukpemi. Dr. Okoruya gang that helped destroy Nigeria. Your name will go down as one of the worst presidents in ever. Your children will not even have a place to go. That aside, let's go to Captain Osa Okumbo. Captain Osa Okumbo, I have somebody that I want to call, but I'm not going to do it because of no time. When I do broadcasting, whenever I come back to Dallas, and I do broadcasting, the whole world is going to hear it. Captain Osa Okumbo, we all heard that one Edo man, me, I don't care what people think. I do what come out of my mouth, my mind. Uyi, I'll be crying Edo first. I'll be watching him. When he cry, I listen. I am a man that support good things. When I was crying, Commissioner Gwandu must go. Edo economic is dead. Obaseki is bad. People were attacking me, but I'm not attacking him. But thank God today, those that attack me are not channeling my word. They are not working for me. And I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. You have changed from your cause now to my cause. Good. Clap for PFM. That's right. Now these are what I want. I call everybody to come in. Let us do it together. I wish you people would have joined me earlier than to try to bring me down. Now what? Imagine when Mega was Mega. When I was ready to sacrifice. Not knowing that these people, some of them are bad. But you people were busy tearing me down. You people were trying to work with the governor. You people were saying my governor is nice. My governor is this. Now you people are not coming out and be saying, hey. But me, I'm not a hypocrite. I am a man that support the good things of Nigeria. Anything that will bring goodness to our continent, I am for it. So therefore, I want to help you expose Captain Osa Okumbo. Is it Kemi they call it? Kemi. Kemi, I'll be hearing of him. Is it Kemi? Let me call this phone. Let me make one call to Nigeria right now. Let me make one call to Nigeria right now. And be sure this is the name before I reveal everything. I get my information. Very credible information. Give me 1 second. Akataka. Captain Osa Okumbo. Captain Osa Okumbo home. 24 hours electricity. They know they take him. I will tell you the secret. Hello? Yes. Yeah, God bless you. I'm online. I did not get information about the electricity problem and how Kataosa Okubo involved in it. Do you want me to put you on the phone? I'm online right now. Okay, all right. Let me turn it on. Okay, go ahead, son.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes. The electricity problem. Now, food care and Kataosa, and I get 50% food care, 50% Kataosa, 40% of that VAT.
Okay.
So, that food care get power. Now, so Kataosa get power.
Okay.
Kataosa, where they carry investment, where they spend the money they put, we don't know. Not for this state.
Okay.
Not for this state at all, because now who can use in your power when you get employ in citizens, in individuals for a work. So I don't know why people will be full care party people for work. Okay. Because he use the power away.
Okay.
Kataosa get the same power away full care get.
Okay.
Why Kataosa not use you? Other than to buy baby car, that traditional ruler. They give them. Why people they suffer? Kataosa don't know the people they suffer.
Okay.
Which investment you just talk say Kataosa get? They say get one big land. We carry we they do farm for that part of there. Land we not in there. We not there. Kataosa na our problem for this state. Na our problem. You know when Jonathan give us. If they're going to buy down your way back, then a good person will get paid for their young people, and then say our problem will reduce.
Okay. Thank you so much. Where are you talking from now? Where are you talking from?
I'm talking from Nigeria, Benin City.
So you are on ground in Benin City?
I'm on ground, fully on ground.
Okay. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. So, as you can see, Mega Comrade, when I hear Uyi was complaining about it, I took my time to investigate. A lot of people look at Uyi, not everything he says is good. He insults people, but I've not seen him insult me, but people said he has. But I told him, and then one day tell so I took my time to investigate. I keep hearing Yoruba people, Mega Comrade, they raise money for Shogore. They raise money for Shogore. Yoruba people are taking our job. They are taking our job. They are taking our job. I said, I took my time. I investigated it. I found out that the electricity problem in Edo State was caused by Kataosa. Remember when Lucky Minedian was the governor, there was still electricity. As Oshomole came, he now collected, he sold it to Kataosa and Funke, whatever they call her name. He sold it to them. Kataosa actually owns it. Kataosa now started sharing the light and be billing you. The less you see, the more you pay. Kataosa continued to reap, like he said. I heard that he had bought cars for a lot of chiefs for them not to talk. He gave money to Tony Kabaka. Governor Obaseki sponsored Tony Kabaka children because you know that anybody talk Tony Kabaka will send his boy. They will use propulsion, shotgun, to kill your family, kill your family. They will kill them. You know what I'm saying? So Kataosa, even Tony Kabaka told me, Rano migo, we no Kataosa. Kataosa no mwedo here is Kataosa helping you people. If Kataosa help you, what happened to Obaseki farm? Now it's not Kataosa farm. After they use Edo money to carry farm, you remember that 20-something billion and 3 billion for the farmers. Remember when I spoke about it? I think 3 or 6 billion for the farmer. That Obaseki just took to Oshomole house and share. They now use it to carry farm. Obaseki. Now the farm, less than 2 years, the farm have not changed to Kataosa farm. Edo people were conscious. If you do negligee, no wasu or wapuse. Wakile ko akpa opuse vedoni. Me. Kai. If wamata me omen. Wana ache mo talon be ne talon lawa gbe. Ya we get here bo. E talon lawa mo gbe. Ah talon be he too dey talk. Ni ma ike ya tiebo adina via miewo. Zero. Ah tiebo gbe nebo la wa ya gbe wa no ta tiebo gbe nebo alelu wa hu alelu wa ta. Wa kongbe. Wa kongbe. Wa kongbe gbe. Kateosa. Governor farm. Nobody see a corn we not reap. Maize we not get. Even melon we not carry from that farm. Almost 6 billion farm. Nothing to show for it. Kateosa now went to one farm. He carry picture, do everything, give the owner 1 million. Say now he get a bell land farm. Kateosa bought the whole land. Even our upper lake cost on those that will drag the land from the from our traditional ruler. Why is the cost not affecting our upper? Now when person go down from Benin Lagos Road, and some bad down there. I beg you, what to tell me? What do you? I'm women all time. Emmanuel will pass on back believe. Everybody need over. Everybody need over. Our Talunya. Our land one bag. Awa kobegia na kobegia muru wa we no muru wata akobegia uwahi wa ma in president for general hey na somebody don't kill am in president for whether somebody no dey reach Kateosa body say Kateosa gbe very wa yi ma ya yeye na wa kan yi ma ya caricature ma go wa do Kateosa. And Governor Obaseki and his boys, they have turned our land into caricature land. Tomorrow, make accident happen more than say na Asomba. Make Asomba kill you now. Una when they lie on Oba head. Make Asomba kill you now. Una when they lie for Oba head. Anybody die na Asomba. Why Asomba never kill Kateosa? Why Asomba never kill him? If person Asomba go keep person, na Kateosa be number one. Not until Asomba kick Kateosa, me I not go believe say Ada Asomba he go keep person at all. That is the fact. Governor Obaseki, Oshomole, they supposed to be land. Because if the Asomba they see who they destroy that Benin, they for don't come and reward me. They for don't come and say, King of the poor, my son, I am rewarding you because our ancestors is really sin. If they cannot reward me only, I beg it. My heart is clean. My heart is white as snow towards Benin Kingdom. I have fought even before I come on social media protecting that Benin Kingdom. And I will continue to do it. I have no regret about it. But the truth has to be spoken. The truth has to be spoken. So, now be Yoruba people, after investigate, Yoruba woman, he join person, bad company, Edo Electricity. He carry people come, Kateosa. He go carry Yoruba Kojona. Kateosa say, you people are useless. You people are not worth to be given a job. He will go to Canada and share house. Kateosa will collect 10 billion of your money. He will give you 10 million. He will collect 100 billion of your money. He will go and buy you 60 million worth of things. He will collect 500 billion of your money. Kateosa will come and let me tell you, Kateosa is a Satan, is a demon. He will use right hand to collect everything you have, and he will use left hand to give you a little. And you are happy. You people want to kill me, eh? Maybe what? You people want to kill me. Maybe what? Anybody that have evil plan against me, you will die in Jesus' mighty name. You will die. Many people begin to say, hey, make a comment. He's raising money for more. Yoruba people, they collect our land. Not be Yoruba people, they collect on our land. Now, Kateosa, they collect on our work. Now, they collect on our job. Not be Yoruba. Kateosa Okumbo. When I send this video, go meet Mofi, my son. From today, you have heard it now. Kateosa Okumbo and Kemi, and they get that thing together. Kemi or Femi, whatever they call her name, she bring her own people. Kateosa, Governor Obaseki, you know say governor not be Bini. Now Bini by name, but by character, by heart. Now Yoruba and Fulani Hausa, now it be. Governor Obaseki, Fulani Hausa, now it be. You know what I'm saying? Hold on 1 second. Oh, Dana, area wa me. So what I'm telling you now is for Edo people to rise up. Stop fighting for your stomach alone. Stomach infrastructure. Nigeria people, these are the problem. These are the problem we are facing today. So I want you to know, Mega Kobe is just making sense. Now everybody is in my lane. They are not in my lane. Everyone is in my lane. You are welcome. A day will come. You people that insulted me will come to my palace and bow down. And use your mouth. Ununaya muasame. Ununegile ya muasame. Utoya we. Unuwanu waya tiebome. Utowakia ya in Jesus' mighty name. Uto mouth when snake. They argue with God. Snake, the mouth that snake used to argue with God Almighty, he used it to scrub ground tomorrow. All these people that have blackmailed me, that have said what I was doing is nonsense, and the mouth you have used to insult me, you all will come to my palace and use that same mouth to scrub ground in Jesus' mighty name. Mark my word. Really tired looking at you. Oh, what to agree? Obaseki Bedu, or Bayona Betui, Yave, Obaseki and Governor Oshomole. Good night, everyone. I love you. Bye.
Nyiyade awe opia agbada leni ya fe neri ya ru yine eni mwe no ba wa gbe no go ma pa wotedo awotu na ara kunya gugbe epo iti eke iti ope ni opa ni ati court awe gbe wa be ni a emo ya ki woto na awe kede ne na ga ko ma ko ma no ire court ni no ke gbere pe awo ma ke gbere pe oba ni ka o yan ya ko lo ye